assim aí nós podemos combater e também para todo paciente que quizás não nem sabe que sofre dessa aqui por acudir na endocrinologist e já pode referir na especialista.
Tot assim aqui com a dia 12 de outubro, o Dia Internacional de Arthritis e também na Aruba nós observamos aqui e especialmente para essa aqui nós mandamos buscar o professor Dr. Martin van der Laar, que está ligado na Universiteit Twente, que abin contas e paciente de reuma de Aruba, pouco mais over de early diagnosis e o tratamento de essa aqui, dus remédio rond de essa aqui. Esta é informação muito valiosa que ele compartilha com o paciente aqui na Casa Cultura. Anto também eu orei para amanhã nós temos dia 13 de outubro Dr. Remy Mostert que vai papia over die long COVID syndrome. Anto seguir para Jabiana e já sabe também masterclass na especial para nos doctores na de casa para assim aí não pode pensar pouco mais over the early diagnosis e o tratamento dessa aqui. Dus nós sumamente honrado de poder receber professor Dr. Martin van der Laar e também Remy Mostert que está compartilhando na banda dus para o paciente e na outra banda para o feld de cuidado.
Something different than a disease which is cured. So the goal of medicine should be, so doctors try to cure a disease, but the patient wants to be in a normal health status.
Inform the patients on an early diagnosis and the importance of patient-reported outcomes, and especially the outcomes that really matter to patients. And the project that I did with Michael Porter on inflammatory arthritis outcome sets. And after a break, we discussed how we really involve patients in better communication on their data and their disease and decision making by computer technology.
You get the knowledge and then you said to the physician, hey, why are you medicating me with high doses of this? Because
I'm absolutely not an expert on that, but what I learned in the past few days that some of the problems are exactly the same as in other Western countries. Expenses are rising. There's no control on the system as such. So it's an uncontrolled system, which is difficult to appreciate. But again, that's not quite different than in the Netherlands. So also in Aruba, a lot of money is spent, and I think the outcomes of care can improve without spending less money, and that's the most important thing. Or let's rephrase that: the outcomes can improve without spending more money. So better outcomes. The same amount of money or less money, that would be very desirable. So the authorities are happy and patients with better outcomes are also happy.
About 10 years ago, they made a test and I have arthritis psoriatica.
Yeah.
This year, I got COVID.
More or less on a research base, we developed in approximately 13 hospitals for the specific indications in rheumatology an electronic patient dossier which really serves the patient, the nurse, the healthcare authorities and obviously the doctors with an own look and feel on what they need to know and how to need that to be explained but using the same data. And that really helps the communication and also the empowerment and the knowledge of the patients on the disease. So what we did see is that it not only improves the patient's feeling and his happiness with the situation, but also improves to get better outcomes, to use less medication and to make less costs, because everything is much more effectively used.
So we hope that this gets a special token of appreciation at your university, and thank you so much for your contribution. Let's give him another big round of applause. Thank you.